So I have one question. Have you seen any business, let it be boutique, let it be tailor, let it be yoga teacher. So let us keep a yoga teacher subject aside. So tailors, you all go to tailor na? There are so many tailor na, but you go to only one tailor. Why?
He understands what we need.
And there are good tailors better than your tailor, but you go to your tailor. Why?
So we feel comfortable at that particular place.
Why?
He knows what you want.
We are satisfied.
Yeah.
Satisfied. There is one reason. Same thing beauty parlors also.
Reasonable.
Shall I tell you?
Some rapport maintain.
You are coming too close to the answer. Interpersonal skills. The moment you go, they will say, "Hello, Shweta madam, how are you?" Yes or no? If that fellow is like serious fellow, even he is expert, you don't go to him. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So you may gain so much knowledge about yoga, still you will not excel. I have seen many. You know everything. You can do all asanas, you can do circus asanas, Jackie Chan asanas, but you will not succeed. See, look at in corporates. Same two girls, they have same engineering qualification. One girl gets promotion, other girl doesn't get. Why? Some chamchagiri will be there. That I am not discussing. Skills. She talks better in meetings. She works better. Yes or no?
Yes.
So what? No, the other person may work better, but this person gets promotion because she helps the boss in handling client. There may be reason, but again I am saying skills, your interpersonal skills, how you talk to that person. Yes or no? So what I am saying, I am little obese. I cannot do like this girl. What's her name? Urmila. Urmila is doing better than Urmila is doing because last 2 years she is practicing. You also practice like her. You will also do na. So that's why you take her as a role model. Asteya, Patanjali Yoga Sutras. What is that? Don't feel bad because do like her. Take a challenge na. I took a challenge. I want to make Bodhi Yoga Academy India's #1. No comparison for me. I am not comparing with anybody. So what I am saying, focus on your skills, na? Enhance your skills. Shall I tell you a few things? If you want to have good relations with people, you should develop one quality. What is that?
Listening skills.
That is part of communication skills. I follow that, what I am asking. Shall I tell you? Greeting, everybody will greet, yeah. I never argue with anybody. See, when you argue with somebody, you lose relationships, yes, na?
Yes.
If suppose Urmila says, tiger has got only 3 legs, you know what I say?
Yes. Okay.
I know, bhaiya, I have seen 200 tigers. I love tigers. I have seen 1,000 tiger videos. I went to one place and I sat next to tiger. I took selfie. I know what is tiger. Now, if this girl, poor girl, comes and says tiger has got only 3 legs, after all, she is my student, na? Yes or no? She okay, Urmila, correct. Why should I argue and why should I make her to feel bad? What is that benefit I get if my student is feeling suffocated with my words? Why should I win on my student? What I am saying, never argue with anybody in your family especially. Trust me, 99% I am implementing this. I am super peaceful. The result benefits I am getting. Second thing, always if you want to lead great life, see things from their side, na? Please tell me, I'll ask you a question. If suppose in bus stand, somebody asks, I don't have money to go to my hometown, What is your standard response? Please tell me. Will you give money to them?
Firstly, we'll just analyze if it's telling.
In general, you go and watch, then nobody will give money to them.
Yes.
So what my thought process, when such people, I face them, there are two chances. One is they are cheaters. Fact is 90% cheaters. 99% cheaters. 1% genuine people are there, na? Is there any possibility?
Yes, sir.
Trust me, my family, we faced that. One day we were going, no money, we struck in Ballari, me, my brother, father, mother. No money, my father lost wallet. See, that time kids were not carrying money, wife was going with husband. So what to do in Ballari? This is 1981. Luckily they have rings, so they sold something. So what I see, if it is a genuine, Hare Bhaiya, your 100 rupees is a great help for them. Why don't you see like that? 100 only, na? He is not asking you to give the 1000 rupees. Yes or no? Now what I do, since they are 99% cheaters, I say, please tell me which town you want to go. I will buy a bus ticket. I will buy a bus ticket. Then they will say, no, we want money only. It's clear. Then also, why do you want to argue with them, fight with them, scold them? They are old people, mostly watch. 60 years husband and 50. Definitely they don't have money. If they have money, why should they come to bus stand and beg? Are they give not 10 rupees? Your 10 rupees is a peanut for you, but for them they can have breakfast. Why don't you see things? This is called, in English there is a word, EMPATHY. What is that? What does it mean? See things from their perspective. Multiple times I put them in my car and dropped at bus stand. They come in the roads also sometimes. One bag also they carry, checkers. One bag, one baby. We are from so and so place. If they say they are from Rajahmundry, I ask what is there in Rajahmundry? How many cinema halls? I say, please don't tell lies. You want money, take 100 rupees. Go. What I am saying, you need to be having equipped with skills. Basic, these are not some extraordinary skills. You know, the day I stopped arguing, trust me, I am super peaceful. Trust me, come to my office, no arguments. I sit in my corner room. Last night at 10:30 I left. Morning, first class 4 o'clock. I have so much work to do. You want to lead great life? How many of you want a great life? Fully engage yourself. Fully engage. Shall I tell you one bomb? How many of you want to settle as full-time yoga teachers? Okay? Full-time yoga teachers. Okay, let me tell you. 80% or 90% yoga teachers are mental fellows. Guess why?
Because remaining time they will be free.
They teach yoga morning and whole day they eat wife's brain. So that is why you see I try to engage more and more to trainers. Call center, morning yoga classes. Like she is busy 7 days, Shweta. Engage yourself fully. See, simple things you need. Okay, let me ask you one question. If somebody doesn't give money to your yoga classes, what will you do? Somebody is coming. They are not giving money. What will you do? You should know how to handle.
You need to check, sir, whether they are not willing to give or
How will you check?
by asking some questions.
What I do, I don't ask anything. Guess why?
You will get to know by seeing.
Sorry, they have reason, bhaiya. They have a reason. So you see from service point of view, am I selling any product? No, if this entire gang, suppose she is not giving money, what is that I am losing?
Nothing.
And what is that I am contributing for her, especially nothing, na? So I say it's okay. But intentionally she is not giving money. That very rare I find in yoga path. Very rare. Somebody is coming and practicing yoga. They will also have guilt, na?
Yes.
Okay. No, they don't have guilt. Means what?
They are not practicing properly.
They are mental fellows.
Yeah, they won't stay for long.
Why should I worry about them? If that person is matured, he will come and say, sir, I don't have money. See, trust me, one day one boy came. I said, hey, I saw you somewhere. He says, last year I attended your classes, sir. 15 days. I said, okay. He's studying in Chennai. He says, I forgot to give money, sir. This is 2,000 rupees by money. I said, you attended 15 days only, na? He said, yes, but I want to give 1 month, sir. So what I am saying, money will come to you. Trust me, till now, not a single person escaped from Bodhi. So when you have a pure intention, things will go good direction only. Am I clear? Now next thing. Okay, she is not giving permanently. What is the problem there? If somebody asks her, where are you going yoga, she will tell your name only. You will become a divine for that person. Are I am going to Bodhi Yoga Center. They will not talk about fees. Because she is not paying, na. She will not say that I am not paying. But she will do dabbu. Publicity she will do nice. Yes or no? So indirectly you are creating some marketing managers. Do it, na. So like that I have 200, 300 marketing managers in Hyderabad. That is why all of you are here. Hundreds I am telling. Countless I have marketing managers. So be like a human here. For example, yesterday Shvetanga has come from Lucknow. I could not spend time with him. Suddenly he said, evening sir, my flight time has come. So then I have to do something. Shall I tell you? I gave 1 lakh rupees worth, advanced training free, therapeutic yoga training free, nutrition certification. I said, please attend. Attend all these 3 without, this is my gift to you. You know what he has done? In airport, actually he wanted to give some Guru Dakshina to me. He realized that I will not take. He donated to somebody in an airport. And he is a below middle class family person. No bank balance also. He says, sir, I have donated money to somebody as a Guru Dakshina. So I said, if you have donated something, I also have to do small gift to you. Next 6 months you attend these trainings. And then I said, I want you to, can you please work for me? I said, I'll give you 1 rupee extra what you are getting there. Make sense, na?
Yes, sir.
Like that only I gathered 70 employees in Bodhi. Now please focus on developing interpersonal skills. How to handle, how to work with public. Trust me, if you become a very popular yoga teacher with 100, 200 students, do you know benefits you get? You will become a better human. Yes or no? And so many people are getting, obviously will become popular in that town. But if you crave for popular, you will become mental person. Mataji, Shweta, Mangalore. You know, I posted some videos. I said class by Mr. Ashok. I only posted. How can I say Shri, Guru, Ashok Ji? So somebody called me, he says, you know, why you have not put G? I said, how can I put myself G? You know, there are yoga teachers, they themselves declare. When they are writing Mailna, below they will write Ashok, below. Bodhi Yoga Guruji. What Guruji? Identity crisis. Yeah, please focus on skills. Somebody comes to Bodhi Yoga Academy, this is my success rate. 100% they will register and go. There is no back out. And sometimes I reject. One day one person came. 15 minutes, she judged me 25 times. She says, why are you keeping leg like this? Seriously, I'm telling. She says, why your eyes are dull? I said, last night I had loose motions. Actually, I had loose motions. So morning I got a call to come and meet you. Because she's a criminal lawyer. My team said, sir, we cannot manage her. You please come and handle. 15 minutes, 25 judging. You are not looking like a yoga teacher. You are looking like a marketing manager, she says. I said, yes, I take care of marketing also. Constantly judging me. What should I do? I said like this, Amma, I cannot teach yoga. Because in 15 minutes you judged me 25 times. 2 months, how I have to manage the show? So I cannot teach yoga to you. There are some better academies in Hyderabad. Please go and study from there. Oh my God, by listening to this, she became wild. No, I want to do it here. I said, I cannot teach. Like this only, I cannot teach. So sometimes it's worth to reject. Don't go behind every 1 rupee. In Telugu we have a saying, Adi Nishturam, Antya Nishturam Kanna Manchidi. Suppose you get unmarried girls, you get somebody match, watch. If you have any problem, reject in the beginning. Don't compromise and you have to hang that person lifelong. Married, huh? And why are
My
you?
father. That's it.
Are you getting some clarity?
Yes, sir.
Now, I reject, but otherwise 100% success rate. You follow this one. How? What is the way to do 100% success? Nobody will go without paying money. Without registration, not money. See, recently one girl has posted Instagram, Dr. Naya from Bangalore, homeopathy doctor. She has mentioned in that. She met me 5 years before in Jubilee Hills. One day she came. I said, sit, attend class. One day she has attended. That day she decided to do teacher training in Bodhi only. Homeopathy doctor. She's telling, I forgot her. So I have 3 options for you. Shall I tell you 3 options? So tell the fees, yoga class fees, 2,000 rupees. Then what will they say? Very high. So what I say, please attend 1 month. If you feel you don't deserve to pay, take your money. Please attend and tell me, na? Yes or no? In airport recently, I went to airport. I think Vaishnavi was with me. Bhavishya, yeah. I went and I asked one sweet and I took it, I ate in front of that sweet shop. Then he said 360 rupees. No, he says it is from some Italy sweet or something. It's in Shamshabad airport in the cellar. Have you seen that?
Yes. That is Turkish.
Turkish sweet something. Correct now what I'm saying?
Baklava.
Baklava. No, I just put 360 rupees. 1 kilo milta polarity mein. But he says, sir, this is actually it is so tasty. Then I bought 4 more sweets too. The 4 trainers were with me. I brought 4. But I am saying, taste and tell whether it is worth or not, na? So attend my classes. If you are not happy, take your 2,000 walk. But take in the beginning, huh? No, second. One category over. Second category, they will tell, if you talk from here, na, they will immediately open up. They will tell, sir, I lost job. I don't have money. Can I give it later on? Then immediately I will say, don't talk about it. Whenever you have money, give me. Now, some category people will say, I can't pay 2,000 because my salary is 10,000 rupees. They will tell calculation, house rent 5,000, 1,000 my son fees. So when they tell calculation, what is, Amma, how much you can pay? She will say 500. Okay, pay. Prasadam, anything is prasadam. Now somebody says, I don't have money, sir. Please join. Who will say to come into one yoga center that I don't have money? Who will tell here? Who will tell lie? That to yoga center nobody will tell lie. This is my opinion. Somebody is telling genuinely, I don't have money. It's okay, na, join. So effectively, I'm telling you, Sweta, in Mysore, Mangalore, all people have to come to your center. So you take big, very big center. So when we approach this, na, people will join. Na, this is the reason in Hyderabad, wherever we started centers, in 1 month, 100 students join. Is it clear? Okay. So what I am requesting all of you, focus on how to handle people. How to handle. See, you know why many mothers suffer when they have children? They struggle with children. Yes, are you seeing? Why?
They don't understand
They don't know how to handle children. You have not studied. Trust me, if online classes, the kids, if they come, na, they fall in love with me. If you know children are simple to manage them, the 3 years boy also will help to mom to do, vegetables cutting, etc. The 4 years girl will help everything with mother. But I am saying overall, enhance and focusing life skills, convincing skills. You don't need to convince. Actually, one more thing. When somebody comes to, like for example, Bangalore, I am remembering one boy, Deepak. He came and he sat. I was waiting for him. He says, I am practicing yoga last 14 years. So I want to join for yoga teacher training course. I said, I have 11 years only. And he has got 14 years. What should I speak to him? In 1 minute, he has paid money and left the studio. Guess what? You have to speak relevant, necessary words with him. Yes or no? Otherwise, he will tear you because he has more experience than you. So I said, Deepak, you are the right person to become a teacher. Mostly people come without any experience. You have to become teacher here. No questions. He did not even ask questions. But why he is convinced, he told me later on. He said, sir, I want to join for November 1st batch. Today is October 15. When should I pay fees? What should I tell him? I said, first we are starting, pay any time before first. That he liked, it seems. He says, you did not ask me to pay on the spot. So there I impressed, sir. Yes or no? Where will he go, yaar? Where will he go? So again, since that senior boy, you have to manage him in his dimension. Now sometimes 50%, I am telling in the society, 50% mentally retarded. So I watch them. So they will start bargaining. Anything they ask, and I will say, okay, yes. Because it's spoiled tomato. Make sense or no? Otherwise she will fight with you or he will fight with you. Realize, okay, this person has some problem. So say thanks to God. So you have sent one patient to me, okay, please welcome. Focus on skills more and more. Trust me, in 3 months you will have 50 students. Are you all ready?
Yes, sir.
So how this you get the skills now? Question. Who has given the skills to you till now? Parents kidhar? They are also busy with serials, na? Guru, correct, Urmila. Spiritual masters. Listen to them. Spiritual masters. Sunanda, have you heard about her name? Trust me, how many Guru's videos I have watched? Maybe 10,000 videos. Vedanta Trust. When I donated some 30,000-40,000 to her. One video I heard, so I was so impressed. Which video, which knowledge point will change your life, you don't know. Keep listening. But what we watch? Big Boss. Big Boss watching means you are spoiling your future. You are creating a great foundation to spoil your future. Agree or no?
Yes, sir.
But people like it now. Why?
They don't have any program.
Human mind loves to watch what is happening in the neighbor house. That is a characteristics of human. I am watching last 50 years. First watch in your house, na. Your house is this one.
Yeah.
First watch this box. Understand this box. What I am saying, every minute. So, do you want to become a good yoga teacher?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Watch good yoga gurus. Understand, don't compare. Huh? I did this so much. Huh? My Sri Sri is the best, I say. He's my guru. But don't judge other gurus. Oh, Sadguru is like this. So I used to do that. Now also I am doing. Sometimes he doesn't answer to question.
Yes, sir.
You ask where is Khairatabad, he will take you to Panjagotta. Then he will take you to Bamjara Hills. Then he will take you to Jubilees and he will drop you there itself. No, I don't know why he tells like that. Answer doesn't come for some questions. But Sri Sri, have you watched? He will come to the point and he will clear the doubt. So watch now from where you are getting knowledge. Vimalananda, there is a lady in Chinmaya Mission. My God, listen to her videos. Partha Sarathi. Ye Partha Sarathi. Vedanta Trust founder. In somewhere in Maharashtra, somewhere in corner, he started. Now thousands of people are studying in his college. I'll share you Bhagavad Gita chapter 6 with them there. The way they chant, mind blowing. What I am requesting, watch great yoga gurus. If you want fun, there is one great guru in Chennai, watch him. Who is he? I am not saying, you are telling. For fun, watch him. Don't follow useless fellows. Yeah, am I clear? Trust me, they will show in olden times, people were considered as orphan, means anada. No parents was, first of all, do you know in the olden times, if parents die immediately, that somebody in the family members they used to adopt. The kid doesn't know that he is not having parents. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now because of this female, throwing kids, female kids, etc. Now that is happening. Otherwise it is not so. Suppose earlier, suppose she has got 2 kids. Her sister has no kids. Take one kid. They used to do that. You are my sister, take my kid. Take care of her. They were so pure olden times. Yeah? So please follow masters, gain their knowledge. I watched closely Sri Sri how he is speaking. Have you watched Osho? He doesn't blink here. Watch his video. 1 hour he speaks without blinking. But if you digest his knowledge in a wrong direction, problem. He talks bluntly. So gain knowledge. Suppose something is talking wrong. Don't take that, na. We take kachada onto head. Now how can you talk like that? You see the positive and take it, na. Trust me, watch gurus. Ramana Maharshi. Have you heard about him? Just study about him, na. What is the message he has given? What is the Buddha? Who is Buddha? How he got enlightened? Study about them, na. Or this recently who died in that Mumbai? Everybody is watching with that videos. Somehow they are hitting me also those videos. Somebody forwards. Sushant, that Riya, Buya, Doya. Those are waste topics. I realized in 2008 watching TV is waste. I disconnected cable. How many of you agree?
Yes, sir.
But my bulb was on in 2008. One day I saw one breaking news, NDTV. I said, breaking news means normally human, na? I said like this. Breaking news. What is breaking news? In KFC, one girl slapped manager. And manager slapped her. How it is breaking news here? I switched off TV. Evening I switched on. Again breaking news, breaking news, breaking news. Then that day itself I cut the cable. So what I'm saying, use the present time today, watch, read books. You want to choose Yoga Pathret, I'll give you books. Soft copies I have, hard copies we are not. You want to buy hard copies, I'll tell you the list. Come to my library. Follow. You will have a great time. Guaranteed. See, future demands so many good yoga teachers. There is so much demand. Because more and more mental problems are coming in the society. Yes or no? So society is waiting for you. Take a sankalpa. Sankalpa, enhance your knowledge. Not only asanas, enhance this mind knowledge also. You will rock. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Ready?
Yes, sir.
Success is your friend. Okay? Yeah.